In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional brochure in Canva from start to finish. Open Canva in your browser to get started. Once you're on the home page, head to the top right and click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type Brochure. You'll see options for trifold and bifold formats. A trifold gives you 6 panels on one sheet, great for sections like an introduction, features, and a back panel. A bifold gives you 4 larger panels, perfect for bigger images and fewer sections. Choose the format that fits your content best. Next, select a template that suits your style, or start with a blank brochure if you want full control. Templates are a great way to move faster and keep things cohesive, and you can customize everything later. Once your canvas opens, replace the placeholder text with your own information. Keep your headlines short and clear, make subheadings helpful, and write body text that's concise and easy to scan. Aim for a consistent tone and check spelling as you go. Now, bring in your visuals. Click Uploads, upload your images, and drop them into the design. High-resolution photos will give you crisp results when printing. If a template has image frames, just drag your photos over the frames to replace them instantly. To add visual interest, click Elements to browse icons, shapes, and graphics. Use icons to highlight key points or to guide the reader's eye. Keep the style consistent so the brochure looks polished. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust colors and fonts. Match your brand colors, ensure good contrast for readability, and use no more than 2 or 3 fonts. Make headings larger, subheadings medium, and body text easy to read at arm's length. If you need more space or want to create alternate versions, add extra pages using the page panel at the bottom and click Add Page. Label pages if that helps you stay organized. Before exporting, review each panel from front to back. For trifolds, double-check the order of panels so the outside and inside flows make sense. Zoom in to check alignment, spacing, and margins near fold lines. Make sure nothing important sits too close to the edges. When you're satisfied, go to the top right and click Share, then click Download. Choose PDF print for high-quality printing. If your printer asks for them, turn on crop marks and bleed. This ensures clean edges after trimming and prevents white slivers at the borders. Finally, click Download, and your brochure is ready for professional printing.